Hey guys, welcome back. So it's My Hero Academia Day once again, diving into episode 97 of season 5, and this one is called Early Bird. Last week was match 3 conclusion. So basically between Class A and Class B right now it's a tie. So now we're going to dive into the next round. For some reason I got it in my head that last week was going to be the final battle, even though there's like a whole heap of teams. So I think maybe this could be the final one and it might go over a couple episodes. I don't know. This is my first time watching. So as you know, timer-based reaction, grab your copy, watch along. We also have our Patreon with early and exclusive release content. Yeah, click a link down below and come say hi and help support the channel and stuff. Alright, so without further ado, are you ready? You good? 3, 2, 1, go. And thank you to all the Patreon people who are supporting me. You're amazing. Hope you're enjoying the new look, the new stuff, the new thing in the Dropbox. Right on. Just watch damn Deku. But Kogo, he's having a go. He's going to use all these fires. I don't know. All these fires. Well, he has got all the fires. I don't know who they're taking on, though. I wasn't paying attention, and I don't remember last week. Did we see? You're going to need somebody really powerful to take him on because he blows things up real nice. So he could be... Well, he is. He's quite formidable. So who's going to be stupid enough to take him on? Who? I don't know. I've even got my Hero Academia mug today. I put it in the washing machine. Not the washing machine. The washing machine is for clothes. I put it in the dishwasher, and I didn't know. I didn't say. It doesn't say not dishwasher safe. So it's I've lost some stuff off my mug, and I had a really awesome One Piece mug as well. One of those ones that had Ace on it and Luffy, and when you put hot water in it, I can't talk properly. Like I said, it's early. When you put hot water in it, steam and smoke appear behind the characters. I didn't put that one in the dishwasher because I knew that would be silly, but the cup has cracked. So now I can't use it. So now it's just in the cupboard. So I'm buying all these amazing anime mugs. It's all gone wrong. That was my rant for the morning. Let's move on. I do like to collect mugs. That and caps. I've got a heap of caps. Alright, we're into it. What does he look like? Scarecrow from Batman. Okay, Sato. Same team. Yep. Good. Solid crew. Oh, that's right, Catwoman. Lots of Batman references in this one. When I had the preview last week, I thought she looked like Catwoman. There's going to be another fight. Oh, okay. No, this is it, right? Yeah, because Deku's still got a fight, right? He hasn't fought yet? I don't remember. Yeah, do it again. This guy is a handful. Yeah, he had that coming. I'm just trying to get comfortable. I'm good. Young Bakugo. Okay, so how are they going to make this fight interesting? How are they going to bring the quirk? Pardon the pun. See what I did? Shut up. underlings. Is he doesn't hold back with the insults. Take the initiative and take some bombs. So it's all going to be about blowing them up or causing a distraction so that he can blow them up. It's so interesting to me how I've come around with Bakugo. I mean, back in the early days of my reactions, and I've just started releasing season 1 and season 2 on YouTube, so I'm getting a lot of feedback in the comments. But I really could not stand his character because of the way he bullied Deku so much. I couldn't abide, only from my own history and personal feelings about bullies. So I was always kind of really tough on him. But I have softened my feelings towards Bakugo. He's funny. He's a dick, but he's alright. Lizardy? Lizard tail splitter? Huh? Is this the Catwoman lady? She can split into bits? Oh my god. She can split into little bits and have autonomy and still attack and control. But what's an eyeball gonna do to you apart from gross you out? Oh. Oh, good. Glue. Okay. Who did that? Semidine. Plamo. What's Semidine? Is that the glue stuff? Right. Okay. Oh, he looks like a glue stick. I love Class B. They're wacky. Okay, so it's weird. So she sticky pipes. Okay, are they gonna stick to him? Whoops. Oh no, ears. Oh, you leave her alone. Oh, shit. Save people to win. Save people to win. Yes. Oh, Cole. I'll save you. That's what you get. Do you get like extra points? Because this is what heroes are meant to do, right? They're not just about beating and stopping the bad guys. It's about saving people along the way. You've decided. No injuries. It's good to have. It's good to have goals. When he's focused, right? I'm never going to lose. With a kick. Is he tearing up? His personality changed. Well, he has. He's grown. He has grown. This guy, he just reminded me of Stain there for a second, and now I miss Stain. For such a cool looking character, her quirk is really weird. Alright, so they're gonna make the strongest member of that team stuff up, make errors. He's hot headed and he can lose control, but is he. I'm sure he won't. Well, yeah, they're gonna trick him, right? They've got to turn the tables, exactly. Weld. Welder. Right? At a molecular level? Can he undo them too? Because that sounds permanent. just saying. Good old Sugar Rush. Freed him? Isn't like using something at a molecular level is. That's binding. I love her. She's so cool. She's a muso that makes her automatically cooler than everyone else. Heart beats around. Let's do this. Top tier animation, just saying. So what are those other little bits of her going to do? Just bop him? It's damn hard to fight in the winter. Oh, he's taking out the glue stick. Oh, you're in a sticky situation. Cause glue? I'm sorry. I thought he was a tyrant who couldn't work with others. I think they're gonna have a win, right? They've got to, like, Class A have to come out in front. This is the perfect team. Uraka. I'm just gonna say Uraka now. Somebody in the comments on YouTube said, just call her Uraka. I will. 5 years later. Into 50 pieces. Did they stop and count? They stopped moving after a certain time? Oh. What? What? So if they stop moving, so does that just mean she has bits of her laying around the place? And then she can regenerate her body bits? And if she doesn't regenerate the bit that's missing, is she then have a hole? Am I overthinking this? Oh, they stuck on a grenade. Oh, clever. Boom. Surprise, motherfucker. Oh no, you changed too much. She's already in. She's already in bits. So there's no. Oh, my tummy's. I just had breakfast. My tummy's gurgling. He wants to be the number one. Easy win. Yeah, he's too strong. He's cool. I like him. I like her too. She's awesome. I like him too. I do like most of the characters in this show. Good support. I'm sorry, I made you all look lame. No, they all feel better about losing. He's so proud. I got chills. Move! I'm not even in the way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm starting to really like their relationship, strangely enough. So there's a grudging respect there now, so it's okay. It's not one sided. Yeah, he's. So, Shinso. I'm glad they keep telling us the names. Raging, hysterical, explosive guy. Oh, that's okay. It's a good thing. Is there another fight, right? Everyone is a side character in other people's lives. I like that. Poltergeist. Poltergeist. So there is, yeah. Deku's got to fight. Midoriya has to have. He has to fight yet, right? The first fight was so long ago. I don't remember who it was. For me, the kick and the flick. Right, they're planning. Size. Okay. Shinso versus Midoriya. Well, we want him to pass, right? We want him to be part of the crew. So does that mean they have to win? Or he'll just perform so well they'll just pass him anyway because he's awesome. Pop off. Hooray! Hero pose. What? I never noticed his pants before. Have they always been like that? Like a big nappy? Is it though? Is he gonna glitch out? No. No. Gonna go wrong. No. Not too confident. Cocky. They're gonna lose. Everything feels normal. Mm-hmm. Fifth and final? Surely, because they've already said that Team B can't win anymore. So this is it. It's just about getting respect. Uh-oh, this is going to end now. Told ya. So the next one's the final one, right? The final fight. It's not going to be a two-parter. Episode 9, right? Episode 9 of Battles. How many episodes in this season? So early bird. I didn't really. Who was the early bird apart from myself? Bakugo shows a different side of himself in the fourth team match as the class battles continue. So, My Hero Academia. There's 15 episodes left. And episode 10, episode 98, is That Which Is Inherited. So we'll get a preview for that in a moment. So we're 9 episodes in, 10 episodes in. More than half, well, almost half of season 5 has just been Class A versus Class B. And I don't know when that is going to end. That's fine. Like, I have been finding enjoyment out of the fights. Like I keep saying, they're interesting and weird and quirky. I mean, Class B have been very cool. They're just so different and unique and interesting. So I have been enjoying that side of it. They're maintaining the interest. But like I mentioned, I can understand why some people might be a little bit turned off by season 5. The last match. So Class A is still going to win no matter what. But Shinso is tough. I'm the key. Yeah, I told you something strange starts happening to him halfway through the fight. So he's going to glitch out. And they're going to lose. Right? They're going to have a moment of humility. And Shinso's going to get in. That's what I predict. That's what I think is going to happen. I don't know for sure. But it's what I think should happen to make it interesting. Right? Yes. Okay. So, Like I mentioned, yeah, we're like more than almost halfway through season 5. At this point, I'm not sure if there's a season 6 coming or not, but yeah, the first half of part 5 has been just mostly just all the battles. So I'm just going to ask you guys, what do you think? Have you been enjoying season 5? Is this your first time watching it because you haven't been bothered before? Let me know. Did you switch off halfway through? Are you still loving it? Tell me. Hit me up in the comments down below and let me know what you think of it. Me, like I mentioned, I am enjoying the fights. They're quirky and fun. But yeah, has it been drawn out? Has it been drawn out? Potentially. You tell me what you think. So anyway, I'm done. So please like and subscribe. Maybe hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my reactions. Also have my Patreon and all my socials linked down below in the description box. So come say hi. All right, catch you next time. Thanks for watching.